Good morning. I have been making some tortilla chips. I kind of, at night, kind of like to snack on a little bit of something once in a while, but as we know, chips are fattening. You know, Twinkies are fattening, anything like that. So I have started fixing chips out of these, and I've done out of these, which it doesn't have to be that brand. It seems like the small 8-inch works better for me. I am going to try some spinach and herb and see how those turn out. But I take them, I made some garlic olive oil, which is in there, and I also have some thyme in there, which was in the olive oil. But it seems like I can't get a lot of that thyme out when I'm trying to brush it. So I brushed the oil on these, and then I cut them in half, and then quarter, and then in thirds. Yeah. I get 12 chips out of one of those. Then I put them on a baking sheet, which is already oiled. I sprinkle some Italian seasoning on them. I bake at 350 for 11 or 10 to 11 minutes. I check them at 10 just to make sure I don't want to burn, because once they get to the stage, you want to get them out. And here they are. And I tell you what, they are so good. So yummy, yummy. And so now I'm trying different flavors and see what happens. Have a good day.